Hello there, subscribers, and welcome back to a new episode of Separate and Cypher's channel. Today we have the brand new Legacy World, Jurassic World, MAMENCHISAURUS, and we are going to compare it to Dominion's Dreadnoughtus and Dino Escape, Apatosaurus. We are here outdoors right now. It's a beautiful day. So, yep, we're going to be discussing sauropods. So, what is a sauropod? A sauropod is a large dinosaur with long neck, a long tail with a large body, with a tiny head, and of course a tiny brain. Alright, anyways, we're gonna be unboxing this MAMENCHISAURUS. So, let's do it. Alright. Let's do it. Alright, let's check the box first. There we go, it's really big. It's 126 centimeters. It's 49 plus inches. It's really long. I think it's longer than the Apatosaurus. I'm not sure about the Dreadnought. The Dreadnought's really big. So there you go. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, so here he is. The MAMENCHISAURUS. You can open the mouth. You can swivel. The neck can be turned. Unlike the Dreadnought, you can't turn the neck. It's a brown color, so it is bigger than the Apatosaurus. There you go, it's really long. We're gonna check the length. Alright, so let's check it out. So the Dreadnought is still longer. There you go. The Apatosaurus becoming the shortest now and the smallest. You can see that. Dreadnought is still bigger, taller. We also have our Halloween pumpkins. We're ready for Halloween. We have our Jurassic World T-Rex right there. There's Sephiroth's pumpkin and this is Sypha's pumpkin. There we go. And here, say hi, guys. Alright. So let's check the DNA scanning. There you go. There's the DNA scanning. Alright. Let's put it back in. So we can turn the neck. Whoops, it's really hard. We can turn it left, right there. The tail just going up and down. The Apatosaurus is going left and right. Oops. So yeah. Let's check the back here. There you go. Let's check the face. For the face of the Apatosaurus, it really dwarfs the Apatosaurus now. So yeah, that's our large 3 sauropods now. Also, we also have the Brachiosaurus, but we're not comparing that because it already has a variant. These guys don't have variants yet. So yeah, thanks again guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot and have a great day. See ya.